Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to change the attachments on the Gravely Model Ls with the 4-bolt hookup. First, you're going to want to put a jack under the back end of the tractor so you can adjust the angle and the height of the front plate so you can get it properly lined up with attachment. First, you're going to want to put your selected attachment in front of the tractor lined up before you take off whatever attachment's already on. Right now I just got the block off plate on it. So, let's get to work. The Gravely hookup bolts hook up with, the bolts are 1/2 inch, but the actual head is 3/4. So I get out my ratchet. Okay. You want to put these in a place where you won't forget them. It says in the Gravely manuals to take off both bottom bolts first. It says prevents damage to the advanced casing and the attachment. And it says first you put on, to attach the attachment, you put on one top bolt and the 2 bottom bolts, and then put on the other top bolt. There goes the cover plate. Here's your gasket. So what I usually do when I'm hooking up an attachment is I get it all up. Wait till I put the gasket on, I want to remember that. You want to get it all lined up just like that. But if you see there, the angle isn't correct. So that's why I put the jack under the back. So you can adjust that angle easily. That looks just about right. Okay, it needs a little bit more. That's just about perfectly lined up. You want to make sure not to cross set them. There we go. Well, there you go. All you do is basically attach the rest of the 4 bolts, and then you're hooked up.